Welcome. In this video, you will learn how Norming Resource Manager streamlines procurement, eliminates manual steps, and ensures real-time data synchronization with Sage 300. You will see how the requester creates and submits a purchase request. Once submitted, the supervisor and other approvers will receive email notifications. They can review the request and either approve or reject it with detailed comments. After the supervisor approves the request, procurement users can retrieve quotations from the online system and decide on the preferred vendors based on a comparison. In the following step, the application automatically maps GL codes to the relevant purchase items. The finance user reviews the budgets to ensure alignment with financial policies. At the final stage, senior management, such as GMs or managing directors, can use the mobile app to quickly approve the requests, even while traveling or away from the office. Norming Resource Manager is web and mobile-based application. User can access the web portal with any browser. Click Procure to Pay and Purchase Requisition. On the left hand of the screen, you will notice user can easily track the purchase request in draft, awaiting approval, approved or rejected status. The application supports project and job costing related purchase request. You can specify the contract, project information in purchase details. Items can be broken down into different item catalog, like services, IT equipment. The item catalog can be assigned to users based on their job position. This can help to prevent user to submit for unauthorized items. Choose an item in the details. You can key in the item code or item description to search for the item you want. If you find more information on the internet, maybe a web store, about this item, you can also copy the URL link to the purchase requisition, so the next approvers can click into the link to view the details. With more details available, it helps to reduce the miscommunication which can cause the procurement team does not purchase the exact item you want. Extra comments and instructions can be entered in details for each of your item and they can be viewed by the procurement team. If you have any supporting documents, such as PDF, images, spreadsheet, you can attach them by items. The document can be opened through the browser by clicking on the file name. You can add as many items as you need in one purchase requisition. Requester can specify the department, region, or other user-defined dimension for budgeting purposes. The program will help user to check for any missing information. You can also set custom validation rules to ensure all required information has been filled before submission. This helps for a more efficient procurement process without spending time back and forth for invalid information. After the purchase request been submitted, user can click into the approval trail to check the latest approval information. It shows the approver name, approval date, time, and also a big picture to let you know where the request is now in the full process. This brings more transparency to the procurement with complete audit data. Once request been submitted, supervisor will receive an email notification immediately. He or she can click into the URL to quickly access the request for approval. Supervisor can view all the information provided from the requester. What's more, if you set up department-wise budget or budget in other dimension, user can also get the budget figures directly from the web portal. It's a very help feature that give the approver real-time spending control capability. Error or warning message will be displayed if budget's been exceeded. Approver can choose to approve or reject it with reasonable comments. The comments will also be recorded as audit information in the system. At this stage, the procurement team reviews purchase requests from all departments, collects quotations from suppliers, and selects the preferred one. Here is a highly flexible tool that helps procurement users work more efficiently. They can break down purchase requests into user-defined groups, for example, a group for urgent requests. Users can also create more groups based on their specific needs, such as requests over a certain amount or with a particular status. Click into the purchase request. Procurement users can view item details through multiple ways, helping them clearly understand what's needed. Product information is just a click away, thanks to embedded links within the purchase request. They can also view attachments uploaded by the requesters and see more comments and instructions added to the requests. The application enables procurement users to send quotation requests directly to multiple suppliers through an online platform. To start an online request for quotation, click the Request for Quote button. From the top left, You can choose which items to include in the supplier quotation request. Product specs and other attachments can be included with the quotation request for supplier reference. Depending on the purchase amount, you can select one or multiple suppliers for comparison. The system also allows you to configure validation rules. For instance, one supplier is enough for purchases under 1,000, while 3 suppliers are required for purchases over 1,000. After selecting one or more suppliers, simply click Send. The system will email the RFQ to each selected supplier. Suppliers instantly receive an email from Norming Resource Manager, which includes a link they can click to submit their quotation online. The RFQ form displays supporting documents, the required items and their descriptions, helping suppliers understand exactly what's needed. On the form, suppliers can enter lead times, prices, and add comments for each item. They can also attach documents, like product brochures or images, which your procurement team can easily view from the web portal. Once a quote is submitted, the procurement team can quickly compare prices and extra quote details from different suppliers. This enables easy side-by-side comparison of costs, lead times, and other key factors, reducing manual effort. The automation can further speed up the process by analyzing responses and ranking suppliers. Once a decision is made, the user can just click the star button to mark the preferred vendor. The vendor and cost can be automatically applied to the purchase details. On budgeting side, with Resource Manager, finance doesn't have to log in to Sage 300 and dig out budget numbers anymore. No more checking things line by line. The system does all that in real time. Like, if someone's ordering any new items, it'll automatically check if there's enough budget. If there isn't, it pops up a warning right away. After the budget check, it's time for higher management to step in and make the final call. But don't worry, they don't have to look at every single request. You can set up condition-based workflows, so for example, they'll only get involved if the total amount is over 1,000. That way, smaller day-to-day requests can keep moving without delays, and managers only step in when it really matters. It keeps the whole process smooth and saves everyone valuable time. For higher management or anyone always on the move, there's a mobile app. Once you open the app and log in, you'll see it's really user-friendly and it has all the features from the web portal, but designed to work great on your mobile device. When you check out a purchase request, you'll get a clear snapshot with the summary description and the total amount. If you want to see more, just tap into the request. You'll find extra details like vendor info, required date, reference number, and more. You can also view the item level details, like when each item is expected to arrive, any notes or comments, plus attachments and the related quote. Everything's right there. You can see more key information on the app, check budgets, track the approval trail with previous comments, and take action wherever you are. The mobile app really makes things easy. It's perfect for managers who travel a lot or just want to get things done quickly without logging into a computer. Super convenient and keeps everything moving smoothly. Now we're at the final step. The request has been fully approved. Next, let's take a look at how tightly it integrates with Sage 300. You'll find all the items listed with details like cost, vendor, GL account, and even any optional fields. Simply click Post and the PO will be emailed to the vendor as a PDF attachment. You can also send a copy to anyone in your organization for internal review. Plus, the PO form can be customized with your company logo and include any additional information you need. At the same time, the requisition gets automatically turned into a PO in Sage 300. If there's more than one supplier in the request, it'll create multiple POs. You can just click on the PO number to jump straight into the purchase order module. You've seen how easy it is to create, review, approve, and track requests with Norming Resource Manager, all smoothly integrated with Sage 300 to save time and improve overall procurement efficiency. Thanks for watching.